a microwave? Wow, it actually spins. Do we got any food? What is this? It's a dinosaur in the microwave. You never know what can happen. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Frank. What's that? Odin. Hooray! Imagine dinosaur is put in the microwave? Yeah! So, let's put this in the microwave. Because okay, let's put it in. It's totally in. What is this? Is this a robot? Let's put it back together, guys. Look, it is a robot. I'm gonna build a robot. It's gonna be my best friend. I'm gonna build a robot. Grab some tools and let's begin. That's just one thing. I'm gonna build a robot. My best friend. I'm gonna build a robot. Listen, let's begin. Robot here. It's Ninja Turtle and Iron Man. But this is all today of this video. If you want to hear more videos, click that subscribe button and hit that bell. Ow! And leave a like before this baby hits me more. Bye!